Welcome to Module 2.7, where we introduce the concept and practice of literature reviews. Literature reviews are a fundamental component of the research process, providing the foundation upon which new research is built. In this module, we'll explore the purpose of literature reviews, examine the review process, and discuss common challenges researchers face when conducting literature reviews. Understanding these elements will help you develop effective literature reviews for your own research projects. Literature reviews serve several essential purposes in the research process. First, they establish the current state of knowledge on a topic, summarizing what is known and understood. They also identify gaps in understanding that may require further investigation. Literature reviews provide important context for research questions, showing how your inquiry relates to existing knowledge. They help justify methodological choices by examining approaches others have used and their effectiveness. Finally, literature reviews support the interpretation of findings by providing frameworks for understanding results in relation to previous work. A well-conducted literature review demonstrates scholarly rigor and positions your research within the broader academic conversation. The literature review process involves several key steps. It begins with defining search parameters, including key terms, inclusion and exclusion criteria, and time frames. Next, researchers select appropriate information sources such as academic databases, journals, books, and gray literature. After gathering relevant sources, organizing and analyzing findings becomes essential, often using tools like reference management software or matrices. The critical work of synthesizing information requires identifying relationships between studies and evaluating the collective evidence. Finally, researchers must identify patterns across studies and gaps in knowledge that warrant further research. This systematic process ensures comprehensive coverage of relevant literature and meaningful analysis. Researchers typically face several challenges when conducting literature reviews. Managing large volumes of information requires efficient organization and prioritization strategies. Evaluating the quality of evidence demands critical appraisal skills to assess methodological rigor and potential biases. Addressing contradictory findings necessitates careful analysis of study differences that might explain conflicting results. Avoiding confirmation bias requires intentional search for evidence that contradicts as well as supports your expectations. Maintaining focus on the research question helps prevent scope creep that can make reviews unwieldy and unfocused. Understanding these challenges in advance allows researchers to develop strategies to address them throughout the review process.